as a result of that exchange, God gives one over to their own sinful desires and even sexual impurities, allowing them to face the natural consequences of their choices.
Mama.
You hear what I'm saying to you? I'm saying to you that can look through the eyes, a pastoral look at how rejecting God leads to the systematic and personal disorder in our lives. And the wrath of God works against that disorder.
Mama.
I hope that makes sense to you. I end right there. We end right there and saying that the brook that don't suppress the truth, no matter how hard it might seem to be, is standing on the truth and what is light rather than darkness. Don't suppress the truth that God has given all of us the ability to see. Not just you and me, but we all see and hear God's truth, and we see the true God. So bless you.